might be watching this video and starting to think about planning your trip. And we always say in our materials and on our website and everything to pick up the phone and call us. We'll talk you through it. And yes, we want to talk to you. That's usually the easiest way to get on the right track. But here are some questions to start thinking about, because this is what we're going to ask you right off the bat. First thing is dates, and how to choose the right dates for what your fishing goals are and your overall travel goals. The first thing is, do you have a specific window already that you can come? Are you working? Is there school? What are you working around? But if you're completely flexible, then you have almost too many options. So some of the factors that we'll consider are, what species of fish are you interested in targeting? We have different runs of salmon at different points of the summer. We have time frames that are extra good for walk-in wade fishing or different fly fishing and trout trips. There are definitely dates that are more suitable to certain species than others, depending on what you want. And then weather is another factor. Do you want to be fishing in some of our warmer time frames in Alaska? We've got our warmest months are June, July, and early August. Temperatures are in the 50s and 60s a lot. Past that, you're getting into the 30s and 40s once we hit late August and September. So, are you willing to be in the elements a little bit more? Rain is always a factor too. And then fishing techniques as well. What style of fishing do you like? Do you like to fly fish? Are you more comfortable with spinning gear, conventional gear? One thing that comes up a lot for us is we got folks that really enjoy the idea of like a cast and retrieve for salmon, and that isn't always the most effective thing to do for sockeye salmon. So silvers are a really great option there. So we can really talk through nuances with you and make sure that the species that you could target, the techniques you can use to target those fish, are all kind of making sense and aligning with your goals and what you think would be fun. Some of these trips are more physically demanding than others. And that is a reality of fishing in Alaska, where we're really lucky in that the Kenai River is primarily a boat-based fishery. You're fishing out of the boat in 80–90% of the trips that we're doing, and you don't have to hike in and access the river on foot. But at certain times of the year, there are some specific fishing trips that are walk-in wade fishing. And so we want to keep an eye on that and make sure that the physical demands of those trips are okay with who's coming. And so we're going to ask you, who's coming in your group? Is everybody comfortable walking certain distances, being on their feet a certain amount of time, and things like that. So you just tell us what you want to do, and we will help build a package for you. We really look forward to talking to you on the phone and getting you up here to Cooper Landing.